My name is Alan Branch. I'm co-owner of History Class Brewing Company. This is our first pandemic. It's probably your first pandemic. And we're all trying to figure out, how do we do this? How do we stay in business and we keep everyone as safe as possible? For me, as a business owner, I'm studying a couple things. I'm studying Major League Baseball and every sports organization to see how they open up. I'm following how Disney has reopened and all the amusement parks are reopening. What cleaning process and things are they doing? And I'm copying those things. So here's what we're doing to keep you safe when you come to history class. So throughout history class, and we've joked about every 5 feet, there's a hand sanitizer station. Some of them are motion-free, some of them are hand pumps, but literally at every turn, there's a hand sanitization station. So there's no reason why your hands should have a single germ on them. To keep our air clean, we've installed 2 Remy Halos. What these 2 particular products are UV lights with electrostatic currents in them. This kills airborne germs. When air goes through our HVAC unit, it zaps 99.9999% of germs. And the air throughout the building is recycled every 7 minutes. We have purchased an Emist Sprayer. The Emist Sprayer is a special sprayer. It's not just a weed sprayer, it's not a pump sprayer. It has an electrostatic current that runs in it that basically charges the disinfectant to help it clean on all surfaces of something. So beyond just wiping the tabletops down, which we do constantly, every chair, every surface in this building is sprayed down every single night with this machine. I would highly suggest everyone spraying down their offices and businesses with a sprayer like this. You can either purchase one or hire a company to come in and spray periodically. But we're gonna be spraying our building and our chairs every single night. All of our employees are wearing masks. Now, I'm not a scientist. I haven't studied masks. I just know in my heart, masks probably work, and so we're gonna wear masks. And we encourage our customers to wear masks as well when you're standing up and walking around. We're just doing the best we can. We can always make improvements, and we'd love to hear your suggestions. And if you are apprehensive about coming inside of history class, you can always place a to-go order over the phone. We encourage everyone to take all the precautions they feel necessary and still have a good time. So be kind and courteous to everyone. We're all just trying to figure this out and stay safe. See you soon.